وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Uh, this what will say. Inshallah, we are not must say there. We are not accepting anything against Sharia. Who claim their speaking from behind of us, uh, behalf of us, we are not accept this at all. Only we accept what Sharia and Tariqah, Ahlul Sunnah accepting. Who coming and saying something, it is not acceptable for Sharia, don't accept him. That is, and say we are not for politics or anything. We are also not responsible for people who speaking about politics or anything else. So it is even they can see him with picture or other. We are not responsible for what people speaking. If they are speaking against Sharia, even anyone who is saying this, not acceptable for us. We accept only what Mashaykh saying, and Silsila Naqshbandi and Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah for Mazhab, and for Imam Itiqad Maturidi Ashari only. This is what we accept. You put this in your Facebook, and this from me, tell them. Right there, Sheikh Mehmet, he is ordered this. Even you can put this voice also for people to hear. We are not joke this, not playing. We are not making religion for anybody to be shown to make it like this. We are not accept this. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. والسلام على من اتبع الهدى.